Turning 50 is a significant milestone, a time for reflection and anticipation of the years ahead. It's a period where we start to think more about our health and longevity and how we can make the most of the coming decades. As we age, our bodies change, and we might start feeling it, a little more fatigue, a touch of stiffness in the joints perhaps. These changes can sometimes be discouraging, but they don't have to define our experience. But what if we could embrace aging with more energy, vitality, and strength? Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed and ready to take on new adventures, no matter your age. What if we could turn back the clock from the inside out? By making mindful choices about what we eat, we can significantly impact how we feel and function. The truth is, we have more control over how we age than we think. Our daily habits, especially our diet, play a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. It starts with understanding the profound impact of our dietary choices. The foods we consume can either fuel our bodies or drain our energy. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our bodies thrive on nutrient-rich foods that support optimal health. These foods can help us maintain our energy levels, support our immune system, and keep our minds sharp. That's where superfoods come in. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other compounds that can help us age gracefully and maintain our well-being as we navigate this exciting new chapter in life. Superfoods can boost our health in ways that go beyond basic nutrition. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of superfoods, specifically chosen for those of us over 50. We'll look at how these foods can help us stay vibrant and healthy. We'll explore their incredible health benefits, backed by scientific research, and understand why they are so effective. And I'll share practical tips on how to easily incorporate them into your daily routine. From simple recipes to easy shopping tips, you'll learn how to make these superfoods a regular part of your diet. Because when it comes to aging vibrantly, it's never too late to make choices that empower your health and well-being. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the best superfoods for a healthier, happier you. Let's talk about a true champion in the superfood world, fatty fish. These aquatic marvels are not just a treat for your taste buds, but a boon for your health. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, fish? Really? It might seem surprising, but the benefits are truly remarkable. But trust me on this one. Once you understand the myriad of benefits, you'll be convinced. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and even tuna are nutritional powerhouses, especially for those of us over 50. They are packed with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. One of the key reasons fatty fish deserves a prime spot on your plate is its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. These are the good fats that our bodies need to function optimally. You've probably heard of omega-3s. They're like the superheroes of the fat world, essential for our overall health and well-being. They swoop in to save the day in more ways than one. But here's the thing. Our bodies can't produce omega-3s on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. This makes fatty fish an indispensable part of our nutrition. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about omega-3s? Why all the fuss? Well, let me tell you, these essential fatty acids are like multitaskers for your health. They juggle multiple roles, each crucial for maintaining our well-being. They play a crucial role in maintaining heart health, supporting brain function, reducing inflammation throughout the body, and even promoting healthy vision. It's like having a personal health assistant. Think of omega-3s as the guardians of your arteries, helping to lower levels of triglycerides, which are a type of fat found in the blood. They keep your blood vessels in top shape. High triglyceride levels are linked to heart disease, so keeping them in check is vital for maintaining a healthy heart. It's like having a built-in defense system. And that's not all. Omega-3s also work their magic by reducing blood pressure, another important factor in heart health. Lower blood pressure means less strain on your heart. But the benefits of omega-3s don't stop there. They extend far beyond just heart health. They're also incredible for our brains. These fats are like brain food, nourishing our minds and keeping them sharp. You see, our brains are composed of about 60% fat, and a significant portion of that fat is made up of omega-3 fatty acids. They are integral to brain health. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells, which is essential for cognitive function, memory, and even mood regulation. They help keep our minds agile and our spirits high. As we age, our brains naturally undergo some changes, and that's completely normal. However, we can take steps to support our brain health. But by ensuring we're getting enough omega-3s in our diet, We can support our brain health and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline. It's like giving your brain a helping hand. Now let's talk about inflammation. This is a big one. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal and fight off infection. It's our body's way of protecting itself. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it can contribute to a whole host of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and even some types of cancer. Chronic inflammation is like a fire that never goes out. Omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, meaning they can help to dampen down excessive inflammation in the body. They act like a fire extinguisher for inflammation. This is particularly important as we age, as chronic inflammation tends to increase over time. Keeping inflammation in check is crucial for long-term health. And if that wasn't enough, omega-3s also play a role in maintaining healthy vision. They are essential for eye health. They're a major component of the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye that's responsible for transmitting visual signals to the brain. They help keep our vision clear and sharp. Getting enough omega-3s can help to protect against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. It's like giving your eyes a protective shield. So, we've established that omega-3s are essential for our health, especially as we age. They are a cornerstone of healthy aging. But how much do we actually need? It's important to get the right amount. Well, the American Heart Association recommends that adults aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. This ensures you get a healthy dose of omega-3s. And here's the good news. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. There are so many delicious ways to enjoy it. You can grill it, bake it, pan fry it, or even enjoy it canned. The options are endless. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different recipes to find what you enjoy most. Cooking fish can be a fun culinary adventure. One of my favorite ways to enjoy fatty fish is by making a simple salmon recipe. It's quick, easy, and delicious. I season it with a little salt, pepper, and lemon juice, then bake it in the oven until it's flaky and cooked through. The flavors are incredible. Serve it with a side of roasted vegetables or a fresh salad, and you have a delicious and nutritious meal that's packed with omega-3s. It's a meal that nourishes both body and soul. Now, I know some people might be concerned about mercury levels in fish, and it's true that some types of fish do contain higher levels of mercury than others, but don't let that deter you. But the benefits of eating fatty fish, especially for those over 50, far outweigh the risks, as long as you choose your fish wisely. It's all about making informed choices. Opt for smaller fish like sardines, anchovies, and herring, which tend to be lower in mercury. These fish are not only safer, but also incredibly nutritious. And when choosing larger fish like tuna, salmon, or mackerel, look for wild-caught varieties whenever possible, as they generally have lower mercury levels than farm-raised fish. Wild-caught fish are often a better choice for both health and sustainability. But the evidence is clear. Consuming fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, even twice a week, can significantly lower the risk of heart disease. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your heart. That's a powerful reason to make fatty fish a regular part of your diet. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits. So, there you have it, fatty fish, a true superfood for those of us over 50. It's a delicious and versatile way to boost your intake of omega-3 fatty acids and support your overall health and well-being. It's a delicious and versatile way to boost your intake of omega-3 fatty acids and support your overall health and well-being. Make it a priority to include it in your diet and reap the incredible benefits it has to offer. Make it a priority to include it in your diet and reap the incredible benefits it has to offer. Your body and mind will thank you for it. As we age, it's easy to feel like our bodies are working against us. The aches, the pains, and the slowing down can make us feel like we're losing control. But the truth is, we have more power than we realize to influence how we age. Our daily habits and choices play a significant role in our overall well-being. By making informed choices about what we eat, we can provide our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. Fresh, colorful vegetables and fruits are essential. Remember, incorporating superfoods like fatty fish into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. It's about creating a holistic approach to health that encompasses nutrition, exercise, stress management, and meaningful connections. Regular physical activity and social interactions are key. If you're ready to take control of your health and embrace aging with vitality, hit that subscribe button below, Join our community and stay updated with the latest tips. I'll be sharing more insights, tips, and delicious recipes to support your journey towards a healthier and happier you. Together, we can make aging a positive and empowering experience.